Evaluate cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7. Construct angle MON equals pi over 7. Let A be a point on OM such that OA equals 1. Let B be a difference point from O on ON such that AB equals 1. Let C be a difference point from A on OM such that BC equals 1. Let D be a difference point from B on ON such that CD equals 1. Since triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle, so angle ABO equals angle MON equals pi over 7. Angle CAB equals angle ABO plus angle MON equals pi over 7 plus pi over 7 equals 2 pi over 7. Since triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, so angle ACB equals angle CAB equals 2 pi over 7. Angle ABC equals pi minus angle ACB minus angle CAB equals pi minus 2 pi over 7 minus 2 pi over 7 equals 3 pi over 7. Angle CBD equals pi minus angle ABC minus angle ABO equals pi minus 3 pi over 7 minus pi over 7 equals 3 pi over 7. Since triangle CBD is an isosceles triangle, so angle CDB equals angle CBD equals 3 pi over 7. Angle ODC equals angle CDB equals 3 pi over 7. Angle BCD equals pi minus angle CBD minus angle CDB equals pi minus 3 pi over 7 minus 3 pi over 7 equals pi over 7. Angle OCD equals angle ACB plus angle BCD equals 2 pi over 7 plus pi over 7 equals 3 pi over 7. So angle OCD equals angle ODC. Thus, triangle OCD is an isosceles triangle. Hence, OC equals OD. Focus on triangle ABC. Cosine law, C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. BC squared equals AC squared plus AB squared minus 2 times AC times AB times cosine of angle CAB. 1 equals AC squared plus 1 minus 2 times AC times cosine of 2 pi over 7. 1 on the left-hand side of the equation and that on the right-hand side of the equation cancel. So AC equals 2 times cosine of 2 pi over 7. OC equals OA plus AC equals 1 plus 2 times cosine of 2 pi over 7. Focus on triangle AOB. AB squared equals OA squared plus OB squared minus 2 times OA times OB times cosine of angle MON. 1 equals 1 plus OB squared minus 2 times OB times cosine of pi over 7. So OB equals 2 times cosine of pi over 7. Focus on triangle CBD. CD squared equals CB squared plus BD squared minus 2 times CB times BD times cosine of angle CBD. 1 equals 1 plus BD squared minus 2 times BD times cosine of 3 pi over 7. 1 on the left-hand side of the equation and that on the right-hand side of the equation cancel. So BD equals 2 times cosine of 3 pi over 7. OD equals OB plus BD equals 2 times cosine of pi over 7 plus 2 times cosine of 3 pi over 7. Since OC equals OD, so from equations 1 and 2, we have 1 plus 2 times cosine of 2 pi over 7 equals 2 times cosine of pi over 7 plus 2 times cosine of 3 pi over 7. By rearranging the equation, we have 2 times cosine of pi over 7 minus 2 times cosine of 2 pi over 7 plus 2 times cosine of 3 pi over 7 equals 1, which can be written as 2 times cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7 equals 1. Hence, cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7 equals a half. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.